Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we discuss about accounting. What is accounting? What type? What is the purpose of accounting? What are the benefit of accounting, and so on. When we use accounting. So accounting is a systematic way to record a business transaction. Accounting is the process of recording, classifying, and summarizing financial transactions to provide information that is useful in making business decisions. So simply say that accounting is a simple method to recording the business transactions. And transactions, we have to say that dealing between people regarding buying and selling. So it involves a systematic and comprehensive recording of financial transactions related to a business such as sales, purchases, expenses. Any dealing that involve cash and goods, that is called transactions. If you provide someone services and you can get the cash, that is a transactions. Anything that involve money, or anything that we have to record into monetary sense, that is called accounting. So what is the purpose of accounting? The objective of accounting is to provide accurate and reliable account financial information to stakeholder. As we know, they are the group of people who have direct and indirect interest in the company, such as investors, creditors, managers, investors, government, and so on, to help them to inform decision about the business. Accounting also involve the preparation and presentation of financial statements that include income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, which provide a snapshot of the financial position and performance of a business. So basically, accounting, we have to use accounting on our daily basis routine. We spend, we record in the mind. We purchase, we buy and sell, and we have to give something to someone in monetary shape. We record in our mind. And in evening, when you have to make a diary and you have to record that in whole day, what type of transactions, how much money you receive, and how much money you give. So basically, you are doing accounting. So thank you very much. Today we discuss about the accounting, and in next session we discuss about the types of accounting and so on. Thank you very much.